Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I hope that you're all staying safe. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. We'll have a giveaway specifically for this video. Every month I also do a eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of May, it is the Nubian by Juvia's Place. I'll put a link for this in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video, talks about how to enter that. I have many, like 5 other giveaways going on right now. So make sure to check the description box down below for all the information on all of my giveaways. Today we are unboxing the iPsy Glam Bag. This is their one that's $12 a month. There's usually their 5 deluxe size sample sizes, every once in a while full size, as well as a makeup bag. So we're going to do an unboxing of that. One of the items from there I will be giving away in this video. Number 1 rule for all my giveaways is you must be a subscriber to my channel and watch this video in its entirety. So if all that sounds interesting to you, then stay tuned. So I've kind of done like this over the years with iPsy, and I kind of decided to give them another shot, just doing their lowest tier price, which is the $12 one. They do have, you know, their Glam Bag Plus and their Ultimate. It was, when I got the Ultimate, I only got it once and I wasn't that hip on that, and the Plus was kind of like this for me. And so I do like their add-ons, and so that was one of the reasons why I got this. I did get an add-on in here, so let me get that out for you. So this is the Morphe 8H Hi-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer Palette. I think I got it for like $12 and it retails, I think, it's on Ulta for like $25. Here's what the packaging looks like. It is 28 grams. Inside has a mirror here, and then here are the shades. I'm thinking that these are going to be just a little dark for my skin tone. Bummer. So Morphe, what it says about it is that Morphe is just a little obsessed with the 8H Hi-Fi Sculpted Shimmer Palette for tan to deep skin tones. Not necessarily my pale face. And by little, we mean a lot. Each of the 4 matte contouring shades and 4 highlighter shades is ultra smooth and blends out like a dream. Hello, cheekbones. Benefits are smooth, creamy formula, super blendable, no filler finish. I have started setting stuff aside for when we hit our 1,000th subscriber, a really big one. So I think I'm gonna save this for a future giveaway. So the rest of the products came in this cute little sunset bag. This is darling. Here's what the inside looks like with the iPsy logo here. Ooh, here's a really pretty brush, a shader brush. This is SS57 brush. It is by SLMissGlam. I do have a couple other of her brushes. I have this one here that I used for the under eye to kind of buff things out a little bit. And then I have this highlighting brush here. Handles are really pretty. So this one says, we've got a weakness for gorgeous makeup brushes, and this might be our new love. Your glam kit isn't complete without the sparkly and total display-worthy eyeshadow brush. The soft, fluffy bristles are perfectly designed for blending all your favorite eyeshadows on your lids or in the crease. It's made with a plastic handle and synthetic bristles that are pro quality and 100% cruelty free too. This retails for $18.50. Wow. By Tarte is the CHTO Gloss Lip Gloss in Sail Away. We found it a gloss you can wear every day, all day, and glam up for night. 2 coats of this lightweight gloss give lips a mirror-like shine, but without any annoying stickiness and gooiness. The universally flattering deep rose pink shade is super versatile and perfect for all day and night. It acts like a nourishing smoothing treatment for your lips thanks to a blend of antioxidants and marine plant extracts and ocean-sourced nutrients. Not only will your lips love this gloss, your conscience will too. The animal-friendly formula is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So I already have lip gloss on, so I'm not going to put this one on right now. This is such a pretty shade. So this is by Nail.Inc nail polish. It is in the shade Primrose Walk. It says Team iPsy 10 for 10 recommends this raspberry sorbet polish for all your mani and petty needs this summer. It's be perfect shade. Chips, never heard of them. This long-lasting lacquer is made to last throughout pool days, beach days, and more. The unique brush is flatter than most and rounded at the bottom to cover the entire nail in one swipe. Good news, no cute and fuzzy animals were harmed in making of this cruelty-free polish. That's so pretty. My nails need a little love right now. Love it. From Space Case Cosmetics is an eyeshadow in Intense Stargasm. Here's what it looks like. So Space Cosmetics is all about being uniquely you, and on-trend, bold, edgy products will make sure to stand out in a crowd. The pillowy soft eyeshadow is highly pigmented and wears for hours without creasing. It's so versatile. Apply it with a finger or a brush for a dry wash of color or wet for a more intense effect. Intense Stargasm is a shimmery silver shade we love to wear all over our lids or to line our eyes. It retails for $9. I do have a Space Case one, and it actually would match what I'm wearing right now, but I don't have it on. Mine is in that I previously owned is in the shade Alien Love Child, and I love using it just as an all-over, really quick lid shade. I mean, look how pretty that is. You could almost use it as a highlighter if you wanted to, too. Just a really soft, pretty shade. By Juju and is an Aloe Gel Sleeping Mask. What's easier than getting soothing moisturizing benefits while you sleep? Literally nothing. Enter this aloe-infused sleeping mask. Aloe leaf extract has major skin protecting, hydrating, and soothing powers. It's also infused with mineral-rich water from Juju Island, meaning you'll get extra nourishment. This gel-like consistency absorbs quickly and feels cold. No skincare fridge necessary. So if you don't know, I do a masking review series here on this channel where I try on different masks, let you know kind of what I think about them. So look for this one in an upcoming masking video. And so you were able to choose one of your items, and this one is the one that I chose. This is by Tarte. It is the Sea Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask in Strawberry Jelly. Love strawberries. They're like my favorite food. Anyway, this lip mask does it all. Seriously, it nourishes. Check. Hydrates. Check. Tints. Check. It'll give your lips a huge hit of hydration, hyaluronic acid, and vegan squalene. Draw moisture to your lips for the moisture and for up to 12 hours of pillowy plumpness. It is infused with plant-based oils to help improve your lip texture by lines and flakes and make them feel ultra soft. The color is perfect for every day. It leaves your lips with a sheery berry tint and juicy sheen. Here's kind of what the product itself looks like. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's right here. Berries are my go-to lip color. So I'm excited about this. Wish it was bigger, but it's okay. So I really liked this Glam Bag. There was some amazing stuff in here. So what am I going to give away? let's do the Space Case eyeshadow. Remember, it retails for $9. All my giveaways are really simple, like I said before. You must be a subscriber, I do check, and then also watch this video in its entirety. I do all of my giveaways on a Google form. I'll put that link in the description box down below. Fill it out, make sure to put your YouTube name on there so I can check to make sure that you are a subscriber. Please only fill out one entry per person, and that way it's fair for everybody. I'm so excited about this one, because I try and do my giveaways 3 weeks out. So, can't believe it's 3 weeks, got a lot to do between now and then. June 20th, big, huge day in this household. Keep our fingers crossed. Idaho, it just went into stage 3 today for their recovery plan to get back to everything. If they hit that stage 4, which we'll know in 2 weeks, my son will have his graduation. It's now set for June 20th. I only have one child, and I really want to see him. I want to see him walk. You know, hopefully before he goes off to college. If they have to do it virtually, they'll do it virtually on June 20th, but June 20th is the date. So we'll have this giveaway go through June 20th. On June 21st, I will go ahead and pick the winner using a random number generator. I'll let you know that you won, and I'll also pin it in the person's first name and first initial of their last name in the comments down below. That way you know as well. YouTube's not responsible for this giveaway. I do it all on my own, the kindness of my heart, to give back to you guys, to kind of be a little light in this kind of dreary time we've got going that we're living in right now. I just want to be a little ray of sunshine for you. Giveaway is open internationally. I'm not responsible though for duties, fees, taxes, lost in transit, damaged, anything like that for it to get to you. If you want 2 bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beauty, AMA, and the letter B. That'll get you an extra bonus entry, as well as if you share this video, that will give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm really trying to get this thing monetized. I've got to. I've really got to get my watch time minutes up and get my subscriber count out. So the more that we can help each other out on that, the better my giveaways will be in the future. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Let me know how you're doing in the comments down below. I love how positive and supportive this channel is. That was one of my goals for this channel, is just to be a safe, positive, supportive place for everyone to kind of hang out. I hope that you all have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, you guys. Good luck on the giveaway, and I will see you soon. Bye.